Hey guys, a lot of competitors will hate me for doing this video, but I wanna show you how you can build a Reddit competitor research agent from scratch with MindPal. So it can do Reddit research for you and find all the information about your competitor, what the customer are complaining about the product and service, understand the reason why they change from this product to another product, and all just understanding the what is the trending things in your space in zero. So let's start building this agent and I will walk through you from start to finish. So we will need to build Reddit competitor research agent first. And I will click the tab here. I click new and create the new agent. And the job I want this agent to do is doing competitor research on Reddit about AI agent marketing. And when you prompt the system to create the agent for you like this, you can feel free to change the topic or the market you want to do research on. For example, the legal, the marketing agency. You can even niche down to like doing Google Ads business in San Francisco, for example. And I just click generate with AI. So the MyPower system will start to create the detailed system prompt for me like this. When you do things in MyPower, we already provide the optimized system prompt like this. We follow all the best practice to make sure the agent generates the best response for you. But if you already have the prompt somewhere, you can feel free to start from the scratch. It's just a recommendation if you haven't had anything that. And with the prompt like this, the most important thing we need to set up next here is the integration. I will go to the integration, go to the app integration tab here, searching for Reddit, and here. And the account here state that I haven't connected to Reddit yet, so I need to connect my Reddit account to this. I will just allow here. Okay, I think it is already connected now. And I just select all the action here. Actually, if you have time, you can remove some unnecessary steps like create Redis post, delete Redis comment stuff here. We actually just need the retrieve action. So I think we only need these 7 action and we can ignore each other because the purpose of this agent is doing research on Reddit only. But if you want some kind of Reddit agent that not only doing research but also providing the response, post a comment, create post automation, you can select other option too. But to keep the scope of this agent to be lean, I only select this option. Okay, so another thing, to make sure this agent will use the Reddit tools, I will tap the Reddit integration here. Okay, so now let's just start testing this agent. I will ask, for example, tell me the recent trend AI agent AI work on Reddit. That's quick. And you can see that this agent is start to searching across many subreddits to identify some of the new trending topic about the AI agent and AI workflow here. And if I want to double down on some specific tools platform, I can even ask this like developer copy and font post property. So we can always asking more questions like this and let the agent doing the searching and get the opinion on a specific product and in our product as well. So and always on researcher like this to do research for us because Reddit is have a lot of content and a lot of content in the Reddit is from real human complaining about stuff. So it will add a lot of insight if you're doing marketing here to identify the pain points, the insight that people are talking here. So having this kind of agent is actually pretty great. And now there will be another question is that how we can set up this agent to work every day. So we already have the agent like this and we have the research flow on any topic that you can define. However, we can even go far by set up a workflow in MindPal with this agent to set up to make it always running every day to do the research on a list of specific query and topic that we want to do research on Reddit. So we go to the workflow and we can start from scratch. I will go Reddit workflow like this, and we can have a human input where we will put the query that we want to do research on, and I add a new agent here which I will assign the Reddit AI agent research market researcher here. In the human input here, I will fill call query. We can set up a workflow like this. We only have 2 steps. And for example, let me try to run this workflow with the topic AI agent. It will just work similarly with the setup of standalone agent. But the cool things about the workflow setup is that if I go back to the workflow, you can see we have a trigger tab here, and in the trigger tab here we can add a custom trigger that we set that every day or every week we will want this workflow to run to have a report on the trending topic on Reddit about AI agent. Like this, we can call it AI agent trigger, and we create this trigger about AI agent topic, and we actually can add even more trigger. We can add workflow trigger and the queries AI workflow. So every week I will receive a market trending report about those keywords, so I can get a better understanding about the market, the other product in the market, what is the trending things right now. For me, saving a lot of time. Instead of I dumb scrolling Reddit, I can focus on what is the real insight across a ton of content produced every day on Reddit. So I will put this workflow as a template in the video description so you can easily duplicate it into the workflow. I hope this video is useful and thanks for watching.